Noteful now lets you add arrows to your notes using the Shapes tool. You have a straight and curved arrow. And like with your other shapes, you can style to change the color, stroke, and thickness of your arrow. Once you've gone for the dashed or dotted pen stroke, reverting back to the solid one is making the shapes disappear. There's probably a bug, so let's hope the developers can work on that. At least I was able to bring back the curved arrow, but I've completely lost the straight one. You can adjust the arrow using the blue squares on the shape. And the pop-up menu lets you resize, style, add links, etc. We can't hand draw arrows yet though. The app also now supports the scribble to erase gesture. So scribbling over something will erase it. You just have to keep your Apple Pencil pressed against the screen till it disappears. You can adjust how long you can long press. If you don't want to long press for too long, you can just shorten it. The app missed a few gestures, but encircling it, like demonstrated in the app, makes it more accurate. It feels like a bit more work though, but it's probably better than having to repeat the gesture.